Hello students, welcome back. I am Sanya Sethi, your science teacher. Today we are going to start our next book, that is book 3 term 2. So students, we all love greenery around us. We love the plants, the beautiful flowers. So how do they grow? Yes, they grow in the soil. So the topic of our next chapter is chapter 1, soil. So let's study about it in some detail. Soil covers most of the land on this earth. It's the top layer of the earth on which we can grow plants. It's very important for our survival on this earth. So let us read in detail about it. My dear students, have you ever wondered how is soil formed? Okay, so let me tell you how is soil formed. Soil is formed from rocks. Yes, large rocks break into smaller and smaller pieces to form soil. So here you can see it is a large rock. Large rocks break into smaller pieces. The smaller pieces are broken further into soil. Now, how do the rocks break? They break with the help of wind and water. When water falls on the rocks, they slowly and gradually break into smaller pieces. The heat of the sun makes the rocks expand and gradually they break into small pieces. Students, do you know it is a very slow process? The process of soil formation is very slow. It may take millions of years for rocks to form soil. So soil formation is a continuous process and happens all around us. Now students, do you know there are different kinds of soil? Soil is not the same everywhere. There are different kinds of soil. They can be of different colors and texture. Here you can see in the picture, there are so many different types of soils. They all have different color and different texture. Texture means the way they feel when we touch them. Some are very fine, some are coarse. So the soil can be of different textures and colors. Some soil might crumble when you squeeze. It means the soil can break into small pieces. But some soil can be very sticky and they stick together when you hold them in your palm. So my dear students, our Mother Nature is very kind. It has blessed us with variety of things. Soil is also a very important component of our environment. So let us study some of the very important uses of soil. The first use of soil is that plants grow in the soil. As we have already studied, plants take up water and minerals from the soil. The second point is that soil is needed to grow crops. Yes, our farmers do a lot of hard work to grow crops for us such as rice and wheat so that we can get delicious food to eat. So we eat the crops grown in the soil. Students, do you like rabbits? Yes, we all like them. They are very cute. So the third use of soil is that many animals like rabbit make their home in the soil. They make burrows in the soil in which they live. The fourth use is that many small animals such as ants and snails live in the soil. Many of you must have seen ant hills in your garden. Yes, so ants also live in the soil. The fifth point is that earthworms dig small tunnels in the soil. You know, earthworms are called farmers' friends. Yes, because they dig small tunnels in the soil that makes the soil loose and more fertile for the crops to grow. That is why The earthworms are called a farmer's friend. So my dear students, I hope you must have understood the chapter till here. Please read it again and we will continue with this in the next video. Till then you have to do the exercise, check your progress given on page number 82 in the book only. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.